So I was interviewing someone for a front-end position in my company last week, and I asked them in the middle of the interview how much would they rate themselves on React and JavaScript. Now their answer was very surprising. They rated themselves around 7 or 8 in React, but when it came to JavaScript, they rated themselves around 2 or 3. Now this is something that you should never do in an interview or maybe when you're learning something, because what you're claiming is that you understand something that is high level and you don't understand the basics of it. So in this case, you might be able to write a component from scratch using all these basic hooks like use effect, use state. But let's say if there is a production issue, you will fail to solve it. So in most complex systems, a lot of issues occur on these low level stuff, and you really need a solid fundamental to debug those kind of issues. Second thing is the top level stuff, the libraries and frameworks, those are here today but it might not be here tomorrow. For example, React is popular today, but maybe 10 years down the line it is replaced by some other framework which is also based on JavaScript. So if you're good with JavaScript, it will be very easy for you to switch between these frameworks. But if you are only working on React and you skip over JavaScript completely, you'll basically have to start again from scratch. And unless and until you don't have a solid fundamental base, you'll always struggle with these kind of issues. So before getting into any of these frameworks, be it front end or back end, I suggest that you spend some time on these basic fundamentals, build some projects, dig into some open source projects, and learn the basics of it, and then eventually move to some good framework.